unit conversions. If you're from an engineering background, you definitely would have come across converting one unit to the other, for example from meter to feet. But the easiest way is to use the convert function. To do that, put an equal sign, type in convert, press tab, select the original value you want to convert, put comma. Now select the unit that you want to convert from, which is meter in this case, comma, and select the unit to which you want to convert it to, which is to foot. Double click on that, and now if you press enter, it converts from meters to foot. You also can make it more automatic by double clicking on it, selecting the meter and selecting the meter from another cell. Same with the foot, so this would be D3, enter. So now it automatically converts based on the unit on the right side as well. So if I change feet to meters, it will convert it from meter to meter. Centimeter, converts it to centimeter. You should just make sure the units in here matches the units that are defined in this function. For example, you can't type here foot, it wouldn't work. It should be FT.